Imagine that you are a part of the project team and your dream is to reach your management level. Or you are a project manager and your dream is to reach the management or top management level. In this episode, we will explain the things that preventing you from reaching the management level. Grab your cup of coffee and let's start the session. Okay, this is a quick episode about the things that preventing you from reaching the management level. Things which you need to avoid. First thing, avoid being negative. Means don't always make problems with things. In each and every project there will be some problems. There is no project without problems. And you need to be optimistic and avoid being pessimistic. Management directors and your manager doesn't need to reach from you always the negative information. They need to know from you the positive information. The second thing is to avoid reaching your personal revenge. There will be some problems between you and your team member, or you and some clients and others. If there is any misunderstanding or miscommunication between you and other people, avoid reaching revenge and avoid reaching things that this person is away from all the awards, or that you don't need that person. This is against your project management regulations, and you need to ensure that you are working according to the regulations of the project management. Third thing is learning from your mistakes. If you learn from your mistakes, that will prepare you for your next level and your next management level. If you don't learn from your mistakes, from previous projects or from what the directors have been informing you, that will preventing you from reaching your management level. Thank you for watching, and this was a very quick episode for things which preventing you reaching the management level. See you in the next episode.